This is seafood okra soup, guys, and I'm the one that make it. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make my seafood okra soup. Here are some ingredients. I have some cow skin, some cow tripe, shishake, and I also have some fresh fish. This is croaker fish, and I've already steamed it. I steam it with some fresh pepper, onion, seasoning cube, and some salt. And here are my fresh crabs, guys. I've already washed them too. I wash my crabs with the vinegar, all right. And I also have some fresh prawns. I've already cleaned them. I washed them very well, as you can see. It's so neat. Okay, make sure you clean your prawns. Here I have my kale leaves. I will attach a picture to it so that you can know the leaf I'm talking about. And here is some fresh okra. I've already washed and sliced my okra. Okay, so the next thing I'll be introducing is my local seasoning. This is ogiriokpe, okay, and I have some dry crayfish. I will blend it later. And here is another okra. So I'm going to steam this one with some water. I'll steam it for like 5 minutes because I'm going to blend this one. And here is some fresh pepper and onions. I'm going to blend it together. Blend the onions and pepper together, okay? So now that I've introduced all the ingredients to you guys, it's time for us to make our soup. Please, if you're watching this video to this point, it means you're enjoying the video. Make sure you give you a thumbs up, all right? So I add my pot on the fire and then I'll allow it to heat a little bit. I will go ahead and add my palm oil and also allow it to heat a little bit, and then I will go ahead and add my blended fresh pepper and onions, okay. After you add it, give it a very good stir. This is how I make my seafood okra soup, okay. So after stirring it, I added my meat stock. This is what I use to steam the meat and the fish, and then I cover it to boil for some minutes. And then I came back and added my seasoning cube. Remember, at this point you have to add anything addable. Everything you want to add, just add it at this point, because food okra doesn't take that long to cook. So the next thing I did was to add my fresh prawns. After adding my fresh prawn, I added my cow skin and my cow tripe. Okay, remember you have to cook this cow skin and cow tripe very well before you start making the soup. So after I added the cow skin and cow tripe, I added my crabs, all right, because the crab also have to cook. So I cover it to cook for some minutes again, like 2 3 minutes. I came back, added my blended crayfish. I blend the crayfish together with that local seasoning ogiriokbe. So at this point I added it and I give the soup another stir again. Make sure you're stirring your soup, stir everything together. And at this point you have to taste it if everything is okay, like your pepper, your salt, or your seasoning cube. I tested mine, everything was good. At those points I'm adding my kale leaves. So after I add these kale leaves, I'll go ahead and then I will add my okra, because you have to add everything before you start putting your steam fish, because if you add a fish at those points, everything will just scatter. So you don't have any single fish to eat, everything just scatter inside the soup. So make sure you add your leaf, your okra, and then stir it together. Make sure everything is okay before you add your fish, otherwise your fish will scatter. So at those points my soup is almost ready. So I'll go ahead and add my the steamed okra, the one I steamed and I blended it. I'll add it now. I'm adding it at those points, and then I'm giving it another good stir everything together. This sea soup was so good, like it came out so good. This is my second time of making seafood okra soup, and this one is out of this world. This one came out so good, like I can't even explain it. So after I added that blend okra, I added the other one that I sliced before, the one I showed you guys before. So I added it and then I stir everything together. After I stir everything together, I added my fish. Okay. So, like I said, my soup is almost ready. Please, guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're watching to this point and you haven't liked the video, please like the video. If you're watching from YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you turn notification bell when you subscribe, so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Okay, so I went ahead and I added some salt, because after adding the leaf and the okra, I noticed that the salt wasn't enough, so I added some salt. So guys, if you're watching from Facebook, please make sure you like the video and drop your comment what you think about the video, and don't forget to follow the page, okay, for more videos like this. So guys, at those points I added my fish. You see, supposing I added this fish earlier, this fish will just scatter. So this is the time, the point you're supposed to add your fish so that the fish will not scatter. So this is it, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to follow my page. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop your comment what you think about the video, and also give the video a thumbs up. It means a lot, okay? Thank you all so much for being here. Please don't just watch and go. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you follow the page if you're watching from Facebook. And if you're watching from YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first person to be notified. See you all in my next one. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye-bye.